If you want to add the phone number on your Rednote account and you don't know how to do it, then you are at the right video. So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to add the phone numbers in your Rednote account so that it will provide the extra security to your account. So let's start the video. Here, open the Rednote app first and you will be on the Rednote home page. Tap on the Me icon that is at the top right at the bottom bar. Now you will be able to see your profile. So you will see a gear button, that is setting button, right next to the profile icon. So tap on it. And now here you will see the several options like account security, general settings, notification settings, privacy settings, clear cache. Just you need to click on the account security option, that is at the very first. And now here you will see the mobile and password options. Don't do too much, just click on the mobile. And now add your mobile phone number. After you enter the phone number, a code will be sent to your mobile number and enter the code. After it all, tap on the OK option. Through this, you can add the phone number in your Rednote account. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.